Well, hello there, fabulous people. It is winter time, so let me show you how I make my natural home remedy, which is sure to keep the doctor away. This natural remedy is perfect for all kinds of colds and flu and will serve you throughout the winter months. So, if you're ready, let's get started. For this, I'm using 3 simple ingredients. The first ingredient is fresh turmeric. I'm also going to be using fresh ginger. Simply cut it and set this aside for now. I'm also going to be using 3 whole lemons. Now for the ginger and turmeric, please make sure that you wash it thoroughly if you're blending it with the skin. Now once everything is nicely chopped into smaller pieces, I'm going to simply throw this into my blender. Then I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. Then I'm going to simply blend this to a very smooth consistency. Now have a look at this. It's nice, slightly coarse, but perfectly blended. That's exactly what you need. Once that's ready, I'm going to simply place them all into my ice cube tray. I try to use a silicone ice cube tray because it's very easy to pop them out when you're ready to use them. So make sure you share everything evenly. Put this in your ice cube tray. And one last ingredient I'm going to need is black pepper. Black pepper helps to activate the turmeric and ginger. Simply grind in as little or as much as you want. Once it's ready, cover the lid and we're going to freeze this for at least 24 hours or until whenever you're ready to drink it. So I'm going to place this in my freezer for at least 24 hours. So it's the next day and our winter home remedy is ready. It's perfectly frozen and very easily pops out of the ice cube tray. So depending on the strength of the tea you want to make, you can use between 3 to 4 cubes to make your tea. Simply pop this out and put them in your teacup. Then add some hot boiled water. I'm also adding about half a teaspoon of honey. Feel free to use more if you prefer. Simply mix this nicely. Feel free to also strain this before drinking it if you prefer. This very simple drink will help fight against all the sniffle going around in the winter. It would help to strengthen your immune system and will certainly keep you away from the hospital. I hope you can try this out. Now with all your remaining cubes in the tray, cover it again and pop them straight back into the freezer. Depending on how often you drink it, this should be able to last you throughout the winter months. So feel free to cover it and put it straight back into the freezer. Simply bring it out anytime you need and pop out a few cubes and drink it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you again next time. Stay healthy. Goodbye.